In this video, we are going to learn the levels of ecological study. Ecology incorporates research at many spatial scales, from a single individual to the entire biosphere. The major levels of ecological study are: we'll start by the organism. Ecologists study adaptations, beneficial features arising by natural selection that allow organisms to live in specific habitats. The other level is the population. A population is a group of organisms of the same species that live in the same area at the same time, and they are potentially able to interbreed. Next is the community. A biological community consists of all the populations of different species that live in a given area. For example, in a forest, each pine tree is an organism. All the pine trees make up a population. Now, all the plant and animal species in the forest comprise a community. Next is the ecosystem. An ecosystem consists of all the biotic and abiotic factors that influence that community. And this is an example of an ecosystem. It includes the living organisms, such as the trees, and the environment in which they live, whether they are living or non-living things. And it's important to mention that a habitat is the place where an organism normally lives, and it is characterized by physical conditions and the other types of organisms present. And within an ecosystem, there are many habitats. And if this area is extremely small, we call it a microhabitat. And finally is the biosphere. The biosphere is the planet Earth viewed as an ecological system. So, this globe is the biosphere because it encompasses all the ecosystem on Earth.